One of my favorite tools to use in tight places. This is my Stanley ratchet. So not only does it turn back and forth this way, but you can twist this one back and forth this way, which ratchets the head. So I'll show you how much it helps. So right back here, I got a secondary air injection pump valve on a Toyota. I don't know if I can get where you can see back in there good enough to. It's where that little stretchable exhaust hose kind of goes onto, but there's a bolt back in there. As you can tell, there's not much room to get back in there, but I can stick this wrench onto the head of the bolt. Which it's on right now. So let me move this. There we go. So you watch this. I can tighten this bolt. At least get it all the way in. And then the rest of the way I can tighten it. But right here I don't have enough room to move back and forth. If I didn't have this tool, I'd be trying to pull off the intake. Now it's all cinched in. So, tool worth having? I think so.